everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing a clean and undecorate with me, so I'm just going to take all the Christmas decks down. If you need some inspiration to do yours, then this is the video for you, or if you just need some cleaning motivation in general. So let me know in the comments below when you guys took down your decorations or when you're planning to. We usually do it straight after New Year's. This year we felt like we needed a big declutter because I just feel like with all the Christmas toys and everything, it felt really good to clear out the space. So first thing that I'm going to do is go upstairs because we actually don't have that much upstairs, so I just wanted to clear that out first. In Victor's room we had just kind of a few bits here and there. We've got this Christmas blackboard, and then I'm going to take his Christmas jumper and put it in storage as well. And we also have some Christmas PJs in our bedroom, Christmas sweater, and just kind of random things like that. I also have some wrapping paper. So yeah, I'm just going to put everything. I got these storage boxes from Homebase. They come in a set of 3. I can't remember exactly how much they were, but they were really good price. They have loads of them if you're looking for storage as well. So I'm just going to fill these up with Christmas bits.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us.
We also got from Homebase a new duvet and pillow cover for Victor. We really wanted to get a bigger one because I feel like he's kind of outgrown his previous one. So we got a bigger pillow and a duvet as well. On his mattress we use a mattress protector. It's like a waterproof one. This one I got from Amazon. I will try to link it down below if I can still find it. But it's really good. We have one on our bed as well, just because he comes to sleep in our bed sometimes. So I just want to have that as protection. But yeah, it's really good to protect your mattress. And then on top of the mattress protector cover, I'm going to put his sheets, and then I'm going to put his new duvet and pillow.
But we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. Stripping down
I'm also straightening up his Legos here. He got a few more Legos in his stocking, so they've been building here garages and just things like that. I'm also going to straighten up his books because they're all over the place. He has a favorite one. He has the Worrysaurus, which is such a cute story about like worries and anxiety for little children, which I think is perfect, especially this year. I think a lot of them are feeling it a bit. Moving on downstairs, I've taken down all of the things that were outside on our door or on our front porch. So I'm just going to take these inside and put them in a storage box as well. I'm also quickly reorganizing Victor's drawing corner. He has this basket here which is full of crayons and markers and things like that. And he also got an art kit for Christmas as well. So yeah, I'm just going to straighten up a bit here, and I'm going to clean the table as well.
This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk.
I've actually kept the box for some of the things that we bought, like this large light-up Christmas tree. This one we had in our window display, so I'm just going to put this back in the box so that it stores nicely until next year. And then the rest of the things, I'm going to put them in the storage boxes. I'm also making sure to take all of the batteries out of all the lights because you don't want leaky batteries next year. So I'm just going to make sure to take those all out.
I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new. Strip it down, new.
to take down the wreath that we have, the tiny one that we had on our staircase. This one also had lights on it, so I'm just going to take it out, and I'm also going to take out the batteries in it. Moving into the living room, which was the worst part, I'm going to start by straightening up the shoes because look at this entry. It's completely disastrous. So I'm just going to actually straighten up our TV unit here. We've actually made a part of it into a bit of a shoe storage. We actually do go out quite a bit through the back door. So we do keep shoes here, and it's really handy. So what we did here is we got this little mat. This is also from Homebase. Now the shoes weren't too dirty, so don't worry, I don't put full-on mud in here, but yeah, just to kind of protect the furniture a bit in case there's, you know, tiny bit of water left on the shoes. And then in some of these baskets we also keep hats and mittens and things like that that we need when we head out the door.
I've seen those faces.
And then over here on this wall we actually had some of Victor's art. So we used the blue tack for this and it works fine, but I feel like it does leave a bit of a mark, as you can see here. It's kind of more like an oily mark, if you know what I mean, from the blue tack. And I decided to move his art over here on the side of this unit. And then on the walls I'm going to use my Flash Magic Eraser. This works perfectly. You just kind of water it down a bit and then you use it wherever you want on the wall. You can use it on skirting boards, just basically anything that you need to clean on doors. And I'm also going to use the magic eraser on the floor in the hallway because we actually stuck some tape on there. I usually use road tape to make like a car road for Victor, but we were out of that one, so I used regular tape, which was a big mistake because it left marks on the floor, like the glue kind of stuck to the floor. So I used the magic eraser to get that off really easily.
All the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial, 'cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta...
Next up, I'm taking down the Christmas tree here. I actually do it kind of in reverse as opposed to what I would do it when I do put it up, if you know what I mean. So when I put it up, I put the lights up first and then the baubles. So to take it off, I'm gonna do baubles first and then the lights, if that makes sense.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your...
And I always keep the box for the Christmas tree so that I can just pop it back in when we are done for the season. And in case you're wondering, if you're new around here, our Christmas tree is from Wilco. It's really great. I think it looks really lovely and it was quite inexpensive as well.
So let your guard down, and I said, see it in your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
As you can see, there's quite a bit of shedding from the Christmas tree, especially since I took it down and I kind of fluffed it up a bit more. So we're just going to hoover really quickly in here.
In your mind, trust that, have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too.
And then while my husband's doing that, I'm going to start tidying up the toys like the train tracks because we did want to hoover the entire living room. So I'm just going to make some space to do that.
From my window, sun's coming up like the day.
Next up, I'm straightening up the sofa, just putting all the cushions and throws back, and then I'm just going to tidy up these books at here as well.
I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
And then on the TV storage unit that we have here, I had quite a few Christmassy bits. So I'm just going to take those off, put them in the storage boxes, take any batteries out, you know, just kind of the usual that I did before.
You makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on.
And I've put all of the things that need to go in storage here on this side. So these are all going to go in our garage. And my husband's going to take those while I do some more hoovering in here.
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room.
And that's about it for our Christmas clean and undecorate with us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some motivation from this one. It feels so much better to have a clean space afterwards, doesn't it? Although it does feel a bit empty now, so I'm actually going to get some more home decor. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for some home makeover ones because I'm going to do that very soon. Yeah, I hope you're all well and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
We can spend all day